Just to, on the
I have the
record,
floor.
please. On the record, Mr.
I
Chair,
have the floor.
he did not refuse
Suspend.
to
I have the floor.
Mr. Chair, motion to suspend.
Mr.
Sino nga ba naman ang nakakaalam nito kundi yung mga mismong pumayag mag-insert sila Jesus Codera at Martino Romualdez ng ilang daang bilyong piso in their capacity as chairpersons ng budget. Nagkaroon rin ng malupitang sagutan between Congressman Garin at anak ni Sagip Porteles Representative Rodante Marcoleta na si Henry Marcoleta, na kung titignan very stupid of an argument, very stupid of a conflict to arise. Kasi kung isipin mo, masyadong madrama si Garin. Ang nangyari kasi, may itatanong sana si Garin, pero nag-raise ng point of order si Henry Marcoleta dahil raw natanong na ni Congressman Egay Arice yung tinanong ni Garin.
Kanina nga, may mga natanong si Sec Laila, may mga tanong si Kong Erice. May I ask from the Secretary of the Department of Public Works and Highways, the former Secretary, can you give us a very brief flow of how projects are listed in the National Expenditure Program?
Your Honor, the process starts from engineering districts, consultation with various sectors.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. Sorry to interrupt.